Hi everybody, welcome to Letterkenny Institute of Technology's Virtual Open Day. Our Open Day this year is a little different. We can't have you on campus because of COVID-19 restrictions, but nonetheless we're doing our best to bring LYIT to life. Our Virtual Open Day platform is going to be available 24/7, but if you're just logging in now at 10 a.m, then here's how the platform works. Whether you're logging in at 10 a.m. or you're logging in a few days later, we have resources available for you to access our programs and to see inside our campuses. So let's talk about accessing our campus. You can explore our campus by clicking on the campus map, which is here on the main homepage, openday.lyit.ie. You can take a virtual tour of our campuses depending on what facility you want to see. So for example, if you're interested in nursing, you can click on our nursing department and you can see inside our nursing department. We know it's really important for you to get a look inside our campuses, so our maps come to life. So do explore our campuses when you're on our platform today. We will also offer 6 live webinars today, and they are listed below, and this is all on the homepage of openday.lyit.ie. Now, if you're interested in program detail and finding out more information in relation to the program that you're interested in, then you can go to our school pages. So for instance, if you're interested in sport or maybe studying business, you can go to openday.lyit.ie/School of Business. On each of our school platforms, and remember LYIT has 4 schools or faculties, the School of Business, the School of Science, the School of Engineering and School of Tourism, we have talks from our heads of departments that tell you all about our programmes in much more detail. In relation to then student life, you can take an accommodation tour, you can listen to our students' stories, and you can have a real insight into what life is like as a student at LYIT. So we hope you enjoy this platform. Whether you're a parent, you're a teacher, or you're an incoming student, we hope that this virtual platform allows you to access the resources you need when you can't visit our campuses.